Come with me to a 2-day STEM International Conference. We began with registration and devotion, and now we are set on our way to begin this conference. It was my first time attending a conference of this magnitude. Attendance is an A and organization is an A++. With that said, commendations are in order for the Micro University College and Associates, including the AC Marriott Hotels, for a top-tier experience. Day 2 began with an authentic Jamaican breakfast, and of course, I was early for the day's proceedings. As per usual, registration was completed, and now I'm off to learn twice as much as I learned on day 1. How can I not mention the food? This was great. Lunch. Well, this is the appetizer. Main course. And dessert. Might I add that I met some great people. Overall, the experience was rewarding.